Hey guys, welcome back for another video. If you are new here, hey. If you're not new here, hey, hey. I am IAmAdriaRenee, and today we are going to be seeing how I did this hairstyle. I've been doing a lot of wigs and weaves, and nonetheless, if you're interested in seeing how I got my hair like this, it looks so bumpy back there. I have to move some of these around, but it's okay. If you're interested in seeing how I got my hair like this and where the company was from, then just keep on watching. So because I have this baby over here doing the most, the way I'm going to do my hair is going to be probably sped up if I even record this at all, but I will give a review on the hair. I've literally done some crazy braid pattern. I divided this into two with this into one. I think there's a picture I can probably insert that I took, maybe, I hope so. Just so like that, that's my desk I need to put together. So this is the hair. I believe I have 7 packs, 20-inch, 1B. 7. Yeah, and I don't know exactly how many are in each pack, so let's find out. So they come in this kind of packaging. Like this. Oh yeah, these are the butterfly locks. You see they have a little perfect. So there's 12 in this bundle, so I'm assuming there's 12 in all of them, and 12 times 7 is what? Is 84. So there's 84 of these, and my head is big, but I don't think it's too big. So if we have 7 packs and there's 12 in each pack, we can probably do 2 right here, 2 right here, and then 3 in the back. I think that makes sense. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna speed this up and pray about it. And then, yeah, and then I'll tell after I finish. Because this hair is super soft, so I'll give you guys a review. It's late though, because I'm starting this late, because I started watching Manifest and should have been recording. But nonetheless. Yeah, so this is what it's looking like. Clearly my hair is blue, and I didn't have enough packs because of probably my braid pattern as well. Had I done a different braid pattern, we probably would have been fine. really than that. I'm like tempted to take some off the back. Oh, no, there's a little section back there too. I don't typically do crochet. I would usually do them single and then wrap these around them, but these are not that type of situation to wrap around. So what we're gonna end up doing is I'm just gonna put these up in a ponytail. So when I started realizing that I might not have enough, I decided that I would. Let's do this. Let's see this. Otherwise, if I had enough of them, it would be super cute. I'm also not a crochet girl. Additionally, I swear that I don't braid tight, but these braids are tight. So my head is kind of hurting from me doing this. If my head wasn't hurting right now, I would double this up. And these are like super thick too. But I mean, you know, from a distance, like in the dark. Crocheting stuff is not my forte, so yeah. But I mean, she cute. It's cute. Cute little protective style when I actually, you know, fully get it protected. All the details about this hair will be in the description box down below. But I doubt I'll put it on the screen. If I did though, great job, Adria. But I doubt I did. So yeah, nonetheless, this was 7 packs. There were 12 in each pack, so that was 84, right? Is that what we decided? But I have a big head, so I probably just needed like 2 more packs, 1 or 2. I could have pushed with 1, but two more packs definitely would have made it perfect for my head, and then the way that I did my braid pattern, because I'm extra. I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Therapy Thursday is late for real now. As you heard her in the background, she's been doing that all day, so it's been kind of difficult for me to record a video. Additionally, I want to record the video straight through. I don't want to have any stops, because when it comes to talking about mental health things, you can go off on a tangent real quick. So I wanted it to be a situation where I could do the video and finish the video all at once, and haven't had a moment like that yet. So anyways, these are butterfly locks. They're crocheted and they're super natural and frizzy and everything already, so you ain't gotta worry about them looking bad when they get older, because they won't. This blue, my blue hair is just killing it. But yeah, if you like this video, then give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below if you'd like, subscribe, that'd be great. I'm gonna look out for more videos. There will be a therapy Tuesday, like absolutely no questions asked. If you have any video suggestions, leave them down below. And yeah, I hope my braids loosen up or something, because I'm gonna put this in a high bun and just leave it like that until I get the additional bundles. So cute. But yes, I'll talk to you guys later.